you hear that? And what is going on, everybody? Dad Bots in here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a treat for you. The boys over at the one and only AWE has hooked us up. They got our back, so we're gonna get their back. So we officially are installing the AWE Track Edition exhaust, the loudest exhaust they make for the C8 Corvette. And again, real quick, I just want to say thank you, AWE, for trusting us and letting us work with you guys. There's going to be a whole lot more coming, and I'm super excited for it. With all that being said, everyone, enjoy the video. Alrighty, so now we're back. Got the wife here, daughter, all of his trucks and everything like that. Gotta go check out this exhaust. And some of the time to have some fun, get busy. Let's see what he's got here. I'm gonna go to the back. Hang on. Oh, now it's time to open her up, see what we got inside.
Oh man, I don't want to do this. What is this? Oh, fancy.
Oh, they're sending me some more goodies.
Oh, nice.
This one's shiny. I gotta figure out where to put this.
So is this 3-inch or? Yeah, 3-inch. Those are probably all clamps, I would assume. Like a lot of hangers. Oh, that'd be fun.
Dude, this is gonna be a pain.
This is gonna be a pain in the I quit. Take it somewhere else.
No, we're here now.
Of everything. So, I mean,
you can't mess it up.
I'm sure that they're marked on here somewhere, left side, right side. And if not, it cannot be that hard to figure it out.
We said that about the bumpers on the Vet.
Yeah. Hey, what else we got? Keep that to ourselves. You couldn't send us any stickers. Come on. Oh, no, this is the tips. This is the tips.
Oh, they look good.
Black round boys, huh? They're gonna look really good. So I'm assuming this is the passenger side unless they're upside down. No, they can't be because they're slash cut, micro cut. So this is the passenger side, that's the driver's side.
I didn't see no directions.
I'm pretty sure these are self-explanatory.
Well, it came with the clamps.
I would assume
in
they're
that-
all self-explanatory.
that bag.
I mean, there's only...
There's your sticker, dude, right here.
Oh, yeah, we got stickers.
And a lollipop.
And a lollipop.
Installation instructions. Dude, we are good, son.
And if they're caps, so is this no longer going to be Captain's Choice? It's going to be straight all the time?
Straight all the time.
Oh, man.
Dude, she's gonna be loud.
It's gonna be loud.
And we got our first show tomorrow. Taking our first show tomorrow. I'm a little
It's
nervous. It had a warranty or warning on it. It says, "Warning: no returns because it's too loud."
Oh,
So I'm like, it's gonna be that.
that can only be good, though.
That's only like, hey, I like the party.
There's only 13 inches of exhaust on this car, period. The motor's right in the back.
I just say we don't even put it on.
Oh.
We just
Go.
take
Go.
it back from the cat.
You don't, how does your tuning work with these things? Do you have to get retuned eventually? Because they don't really have any tuning for these.
No, there's no tuning yet.
I'm curious what this looks like set up, like, out on the ground, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
they just throw it on the ground. It's fine. It's not brand new.
just throw it.
Just chuck it down. Does it look good? Nice.
What are the chances that these hangers themselves are like two-piece? They hang the exhaust and it also hangs those.
Nah, ain't no way. Ain't got no gas in it. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Cold start. so now we got to get started. So we got to take off the back bumper. To get there, you got to take the whole trunk liner out, undo all that stuff, because the exhaust's going to come right back to the cats, which if you want to see it, they're right here. So it's going to come back there. We'll probably have to take the air box off too. Here's the throttle body right there. So we're going to take all that stuff off. Now, if you guys haven't seen his channel, go check it out, BusGoneWild. But he's doing a video of this too. We were just talking in his video. We took this thing off. This will now be the 4th time in 3 weeks. Once at the dealership when they first got it to put the wing on. 2nd time, that same day when we wrapped it.
57 miles.
With 57 miles on it. And then the 3rd time was at Insane Designs when they put their aero kit on. And then now is the next weekend and we're taking it off again to do the exhaust. And then we'll be taking it off again to do some other stuff that's coming.
It's
so,
getting to the point where we should just leave it off.
Run no bumper?
Oh, no bumper.
So now we got the wheels off. Now we got to take the wheel liner out. So take all this stuff apart. Then we'll get to the good stuff. A little backstory on Ryan here. He's actually part of the race team.
Race car.
Yeah, he's going to be on a race us this season. So you'll see us out at all the events. It'll be cool. So to get all this out, it's T15s bits there, and then that little thing is actually just twist out. Then you can pull all this out. All right, so now we got the back bumper off. I really couldn't film it because I needed the hands. But look at this front lip. Look how low it is there.
You can't even fit your foot under there.
I was a little nervous, to say the least. We're getting there, got the trunk liner out, bumper all apart. I mean, look how beefy this exhaust is. It's a stock exhaust. Sounds good for stock, but not enough. We're gonna take off all these. That's how you get to the airbox. Look at that. Hey, look at that. Pit crew. Pit crew.
Pit crew. There's a lot of them.
There is a lot of those. Now we're taking the hangers off. There's 2 bolts here on this side.
Look, she's ready to come down already. I'm pretty sure the only thing else holding this on is the actual flanges and whatever electrical plugs go to these valves.
So here's your sensor.
One, yep, there's one there.
So we got to unplug these first. And yeah, we're going to get to that right now. Now we got the new one going on. Old one's off. It weighs like 100-some pounds. The thing's so heavy.
It is heavy.
But now we're starting to put the new ones on. Kind of messed up, dropped some nuts, so it took us a while to find them. Can't tell, it's dark out, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Now these are in. Ryan just installed right here these little caps. These are for the actual valve sensors, so the caps just go right in there. You zip tie them back up. That way you don't get any check engine lights and stuff. We got the X pipe on. This pipe coming off. Got the hangers installed. Those in here, all back installed. So now we're ready to put on the tips, and we're ready to go. Here we go, fellas. All right, you ready?
Yep.
So now we're just putting it all back together. Got the airbox cover put back on. I don't even know that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. So it is what it is. My car, I can say what I want. Exhaust looks great. Honestly, it's not as loud as I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing. But that's also at very low RPM. So we're gonna see what it's like once we get everything put back together. We're gonna go take it out and go for a couple cruises and stuff like that. The back bumper back on. If you notice, we wrapped this black now. To let it all kind of flow. Now we just gotta put the wheels on and take it off the jacks. We're ready to roll. All right, here we go. We're gonna go take it for a test drive. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully you guys can actually see me. It's gonna be a little dark, so sorry we couldn't get it done quick enough, but gotta do what you gotta do. A little bit on throttle.
Nice little pop there between gear shifts.
Oh yeah, way better.
Way better?
Way better.
That's crazy. I can't believe how ticky these things are. I mean, it sounds just like being in my car with that LS1.
They put it in manual.
See if we can get some high rev pops out of her. I'm actually surprised it's not popping as much as I thought it would.
Here we go. We're gonna try with the windows down. See how
See if we can
loud
get a
she
little
is.
bit more sound out of it. Oh man! That sounded good. Did you hear that? Okay, I think I heard that sound last time, but it's completely different with the windows down.
Oh my god!
I bet you that shot a giant fireball out of the back.
Dude, that was
It
nuts!
sounded great. I don't know if the camera did that justice or not, but it sounded
Well,
awesome.
it definitely didn't because we screamed like little girls afterwards, but good on this road though. This road will be good for it.
Yeah, it's a pretty straight road right here. God, this thing pulls.
Whoa!
Wow. Wow.
Dude, I told you this thing's no joke.
It actually spun almost all the way through second gear. You can feel it. There's no tire noise, but you can feel the car sliding all the way through second gear.
And that's the traction control on.
Wow, that is awesome. This thing will really put you back in the seat.
Dude, wait till we do launch control.
I'm pretty excited for that. It sounds phenomenal. It doesn't even sound like a V8, like
It doesn't sound like an
type
LS.
car. It does
No.
not sound like that. It sounds way more supercar with
Yeah.
this exhaust on there. It almost has a V10 sound to it.
Oh, dude, it does.
It
It's
might
like,
sound different, like if you're behind the car, but from inside, it has that real
like listen to the
fast
downshift.
rev. Yeah, it sounds like a V10 from in here. It's crazy. And I can't believe with not having any mufflers on that exhaust system, there must be some sort of resonator
There's
in
gotta
that
be.
flex pipe. Because
there's no
if
drum.
that was just straight up, there's like zero capture. And the down revs sound great. There's a couple pops. I haven't heard the ants. That certain RPM pop. Mine does it right around like 32. So that's the up, like right around the up. Yeah. Yep, right around the same area.
Oh, look at this. Now we're in Mexico.
All of a sudden, we got here real quick too.
You ready?
Must be that exhaust.
So much fun.
Wow. Oh man.
Dude, this thing's
The
awesome.
traction control is super crazy in this thing. It wanted to spin really hard off the line, and it just depowered immediately, and then it came right back into it. It spun through second again, but you couldn't really hear it. The tires weren't squealing,
Yeah.
but it spun again. This thing is just a freaking powerhouse. These things are awesome. They look crazy like supercars, so
Dude,
I mean,
and they handle like it.
they freaking handle all that. Launch control is something crazy. I've actually never even been in anything with launch control ever. So,
Really?
no, never been in anything with launch control.
We're
so
gonna
it's-
try to do it up here again, but I mean our tires are still really cold. Still in Mexico.
One more playtime. I'm gonna get the camera out the window and see if we can get some snow. Wow. 0 to 60 in 3.1.
And that's on
And-
cold
and
tires.
that is on cold
baby.
tires. It's
3-1 though.
3.1, yeah.
On cold tires and not even sticky boys. All right, now he's gonna get some some flybys real quick. Probably just one because dark out. We only have like one spot with good light, and I really don't want to deal with the cops tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna turn around and get this thing on the road. We just got back. Now he's got to put this car back. So let's get a little cold start. Look at that bus. Looks good. Wonder who wrapped it. Look at the little headlights. They're bright. Will they go down? All right, now let's get a warm start. Hear what it sounds like during, or I guess when the motor's warm, because we just got back like 5 minutes ago. So. All right, so in typical fashion, we're gonna leave it a little launch control action for him. That way he gets the full sound of her. So it started raining really bad and everything like that. It was really early in the morning. So we're back. The AWE exhaust is looking beautiful, and I cannot be happier with it. There's basically zero drone in the car when you're driving, but the car it finally sounds like it's supposed to sound. So it blows my mind that it went from what it was to what it is, because people thought that, you know, the stock exhaust with the valve, it still sounded good when it was all the way open. This is a whole new level. A whole new level, and I can't wait for you all to hear it. So just remember, if you guys want this exhaust, go check out AWE. It's the track edition exhaust. We got the black tips. They have a lot of other different options. Go check them out. They make exhausts for a whole bunch of other platforms. So enjoy it. Thank you again, AWE. And I hope you all enjoyed that video. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And we'll see you next time. Dad Bod Season out.